I wish I could see the room. I know. I think.
Is that I guess this is an app.
Almost. It's the word on.
A
Most a right. A most a right. Is that English? Amos? I don't know. I thought it was utmost or something. Yeah, utmost? A. They don't even have
No,
A.
yeah, it actually says a most.
A most? Maybe try most first? Most. M. O. I don't think there is O.
Liberate to the world.
I don't think there's O.
O.
Amos and right?
Okay, right.
We're gonna die here, Jen. I'm stuck on the first puzzle. Fuck. Okay, I think our clue's gotta be over there.
For sure.
Either that or it's return the king. The king didn't work. And then R-E-T. Return's not there.
World to liberate, or you want to do like
I didn't do it. Get us out of here.
Liberate to.
Coys.
Thank you for the sub, babe. Yeah, we can't touch the tape. The tape is because someone did something bad. Yeah. Try the words. Is there any 5-letter words there? 5-letter words?
5-letter word?
Yeah.
There's rights.
Right?
Yeah.
Right. Right.
World.
Or?
World is 5 letters.
The highest bar is executed first. Highest bar. There's no.
That's the right and world for now.
Right and world. Okay.
What is going on?
Have you seen the movie 127 Hours?
There's no R-I-G. Shake? I think she said shake. Shake?
So there's just like this.
Cuffs. Have we tried the word cuffs yet? We do have numbers. Okay. 5, 3, 2, 1. 5, 3, 2, 1. We have a lot, actually. We have a lot of numbers, but I don't know what numbers you guys want. Are you guys looking for 4 numbers? 5, 3, 2, 1. Try cuffs. Wait. Let's try cuffs because
let's try
I
cuffs.
think that's sometimes the thing that sets you holds you.
Yeah, 5 to 2.
There's no C though.
There's no C.
Instead of 5.
Hands. Come on, this one doesn't even move in the middle though. That holds you back. 3, 1, 8, 2. This one doesn't move. Did you inspect the cuffs? Yeah, there's nothing on them. 3-digit number? Yeah. No. We have 4-digit numbers, and on the wall, there's a bunch of numbers.
Fucking cough. I have small hands.
I don't think it's like one. You have to Who ate the king? We have returned the king.
This doesn't work, man. Brute force. Cut my arms. Come on. Ah, shit. If I do this, somehow I might be able to get off. This is okay. I'm supposed to check the hole, okay? Instead of checking the hole, we're checking the hole. There's nothing in the hole. Try to look at that. You see anything? No.
What's your guys? Do you guys have what's it called? Hint card? What?
Okay, we're gonna read something. The highest bar is executed first. Sometimes the things that hold you back are the things that will set you free. Anything recalls?
We have a bed.
Bed.
Bag or bed?
You have bed? A bag.
So you don't have a hint card?
No, I don't think so.
Help us!
Do you have any
Chet.
4-letter words?
Chet, help us.
4-letter words? Yeah. Or 4 letters somewhere.
I think we're gonna...
Yeah, 4-letter words.
Most?
Most?
Yeah. And this.
Okay.
And hope.
Hope?
Hope, yeah.
Hope. Oh, hope.
Hope is not it.
Hope is not it.
No, it's 2.
And form.
Form.
4?
I think we're getting puzzled completely wrong. This.
Sometimes the things that hold you back are the things.
And shuns.
And what?
Shuns?
Shungs?
Yeah. S-H-U-N?
S-H-U-N. Maybe that might be it. H-U-N.
H
Fuck you.
U
Read that upside down. It's hard to fucking read. I have to.
No
check what
use.
word.
No
Go check
use.
the fucking word. I think it's shuns, but it's hard.
Chet is say bird. What
Bird?
by bird?
I don't think we have B on the first
No, no.